Hey to all dear warriors and students, here I am with a new video relating to business economics important questions list, and I want to tell you all one thing, that business economics is a subject. If you uh, listen it, you feel that it is very easy and you understood. If you read also, you will feel the same. But before going to exam, please write the at least three questions which are repeated from each sub lesson or each unit, or four questions you need to write for each, so that you can easily write in the exam. It is for 80 marks. Okay, it is not your SEC paper, it is a subject you have in the final year. Please remember that one. 9. Let us see these things. Unit 1, introduction. What is business economics? Meaning and definitions you need to learn. And is economics normative or positive? ये एक क्वेश्चन शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन में बहुत बार पूछे जाता है. एंड व्हाट इज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ business economics, microeconomics, macroeconomics, importance as well as role. This may be even asked as a long question sometimes it is asked as a short question. And what is utility and types of utility, that is ordinal utility and cardinal utility, and total utility, average utility, and what we call marginal utility. Okay, these are the questions which generally asked many a times. Then long questions you can see, scope and objectives of business economics, law of diminishing marginal utility and law of equimarginal utility with its assumptions, diagram, and table you need to draw. Without that you won't get full marks. Then difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. ये तीन क्वेश्चन ये जो है ना मोस्ट रिपीटेड है. एंड दिस scope and objectives also may be asked as a question repeatedly. So next you will be having one more question. Explain the various theories of economics for business decision making or business analysis. This is one more important question which generally will be asked. Okay, so please remember all these and learn them properly. Next, what is demand and demand function and factors influencing demand, or you can say determinants of demand and demand function. These are very very important questions. And one more, elasticity of demand. Okay, exceptions to law of demand. These are most important questions. In short, in long, explain various types of demand and demand curves, law of demand and exceptions to law of demand, why demand curve slopes downwards. This is one of the important question, mostly asked question. And elasticity of demand, what is elasticity of demand? Explain the types of elasticity: price elasticity, income elasticity, cross elasticity. And this may be even asked as a short question, what is cross elasticity? That is, cross elasticity is nothing but elasticity because of complementary products and substitute products. वो वाला explain करना है. Explain the various methods of measurement of elasticity of demand. This is one of the other important question. Arc method, point method, two methods are there for this question also repeatedly asked. And what is price elasticity of demand and various price elasticities of demand, factors affecting the price elasticity of demand. These are this is another important question you need to learn. Here price elasticity, unitary elastic, unitary inelastic, and inelastic, or relatively elastic, relatively inelastic. ये 5 टाइप्स रहते हैं elasticity of demand with graph with the diagram you need to explain all those. Then comes the unit 3 supply. It is very simple unit, थोड़ा आसान है. What is supply? Supply function, schedule of supply, shift in supply curve. These are mostly asked repeated questions, and factors are determinants of supply. This is also important one. Market equilibrium, ओके कभी कभी वो भी पूछे जाते हैं. देन एक्सप्लेन द लॉ ऑफ सप्लाई एंड एक्सेप्शंस टू लॉ ऑफ सप्लाई. एक्सप्लेन द फर्म इक्विलिब्रियम अंडर शॉर्ट रन एंड लॉन्ग रन. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. Explain indifferent curves analysis, one other most important question relating to this unit. Next we are having explain the concept of consumer equilibrium and consumer surplus. These may be even asked as a short question, consumer surplus and consumer equilibrium, and this concept related question. Elasticity of supply and types of, ये उतना ज़्यादा नहीं पूछते, सी कैटेगरी का है कभी कभी. Sometimes this might be asked, not generally asked. What is consumer surplus? How did Marshall measured it and explain it with diagram? ये वाला एक important question है unit 3 से related. Next, production analysis. In production analysis we are having following questions. ये ट्रेन अभी आना क्या. So production unit 4 relating to production. Here short questions are concept of production, production function, isocons or isocons, whatever may you say, this one important, and this is also production function also. Return to factors of production or return to factors they say, that is for capital invested, profit or interest on capital, whatever you are paying, that one. For land, okay, you are paying rent, okay. Labor, you are paying wages, like that. Machinery, you are paying expenses for machinery. So whatever factors of productions, for them how you are paying. And Cobb Douglas production function, this is also important repeated theory question. Explain the total and marginal average production. This may be asked as a short question also. Explain marginal production or average production. See, marginal production is nothing but additional production done for using additional inputs, okay. The difference between your P2 and P1, production 1 2 में से production. Average means total divided by number करे तो then you get average, and total means all together production total. Law of variable proportions, this is very important one. Law of return to scale, this is also important one in this question, in this chapter. Economies and diseconomies of scale, external and internal economies of scales, these are repeated questions. I am saying ना, किसी भी एक चीज़ को भी छोड़ना नहीं, ये पूरे पढ़ के जाना है, ओके. ज़्यादा फिल्टर करके, आई हैव मेड एज मच फिल्टर as it is necessary. So whatever in this are there, you just learn them, you will get definitely वो in economics, okay. कम भी नहीं, कुछ कम भी नहीं, पूरे के पूरे वो आ जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट, मार्जिनल कास्ट, यूनिट 5 से रिलेटेड. कास्ट एंड रेवेन्यू एनालिसिस. मार्जिनल कास्ट, अपॉर्चुनिटी कास्ट इज मोस्ट रिपीटेड वन. ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट, इवन इट माइट बी आस्क्ड इन लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. Marginal revenue, explicit and implicit cost, these are the types of costs you will get. Explain short run and long run cost curves. Explain the revenue curves and relationship between total, marginal and average revenues, इनके बीच में रिलेशन कैसे रहेगा. What is break even analysis, assumptions, uses and limitations. This is most important question in this unit. ये वाला भी, ये 4 जो क्वेश्चन है दिख रहे हैं आपको, वो सब पढ़ के जाना है. व्हाट इज ब्रेक इवन एनालिसिस, ऑलरेडी डिस्कस. व्हाट इज कास्ट एंड रेवेन्यू. मीनिंग क्या है, कास्ट बोले तो रेवेन्यू बोले तो व्हाट इज मीन बाय कास्ट एंड व्हाट इज मीन बाय रेवेन्यू, टाइप्स ऑफ कास्ट, टाइप्स ऑफ रेवेन्यूज, these sometimes simple question you may neglect it, it will be coming. So these are the important questions relating to your business economics. All the best to you all. Prepare the best to perform better than the rest. दूसरों से अपन बेहतर बनना बोले तो अच्छा लिखना पड़ेगा. सो थैंक यू. शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. इस बार ओ लाना है, भूलना नहीं. ये बस. ऑल द बेस्ट. जय हिंद.